When choosing a replacement car battery, there are many things you need to consider if you want it to last and provide you with years of service. Your vehicle will need a specific size of battery and have a minimum performance requirement in order for it to operate correctly. The 4 key things are voltage, CCA, amp hour and technology. Newer cars with advanced technology such as start-stop will need a newer EFB or AGM battery, which must be replaced with the same technology. For vehicles that take conventional type batteries, manufacturers may provide a tiered range with several options in the same case size. We never advise just looking at the battery to determine what you need, as it may have been incorrectly replaced in the past. Instead, you should visit our website and use our registration lookup tools or speak to your local retailer. Many online retail websites will also have lookup tools to help you find the battery that you need. To be sure of the quality and long life, always choose an original equipment quality replacement like Yuasa and GS. This means its manufacturer produces products that are fitted in the factory by top vehicle brands. It also means that the battery will perform as advertised on the label. The cost of a replacement battery will be dictated by the type, specification and technology required. Buying a cheaper battery may seem like a way to save money, however, it's a false economy as it's likely to fail and will need replacing much sooner than a good quality one. If you drive infrequently or only use your vehicle for short journeys, then you'll need to choose a battery with higher specifications than the OE recommendation. This is because these driving habits means that the battery needs to have a higher performance to handle the extra stresses this puts on it. Speak to your workshop or GS Yuasa retailer to discuss this.